Hey guys, welcome back to the channel! Today, we're unboxing and reviewing an absolute beast in a suit, the Anker Prime charger 160 watts. Believe it or not, this thing is actually smaller than Anker's own 100 watt charger, yet it packs a massive 160 watts of power. Without further ado, let's jump right into the review. Inside the box, we get a very eco-friendly minimalist setup. The charger itself, a quick operation card with a QR code to download the app, and a multi-language quick start guide. Let's check out the charger itself. It rocks this sleek silver gray finish that gives off a super premium metallic vibe, and it feels incredibly smooth in the hand. The sides have this nice curved indent, which makes gripping it to plug and unplug super easy. On top, we've got a multifunction display and a touch button. Down at the bottom are the foldable prongs, which even come with an insulated sleeve. Shout out to Anker for the attention to detail. It features 3 Type-C output ports, and check this out. When the light hits the port side just right, you get this awesome rainbow gradient reflection. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Here's the crazy part. The Anker Prime charger 160 watts weighs in at just about 7.36 ounces and measures roughly 2.57 by 2.05 by 1.42 inches. Put it side by side with their previous 100 watt display charger and it actually has a smaller footprint. It's only a tiny bit thicker, making its portability virtually unbeatable. Nowadays, if a flagship charger doesn't have a screen, can you even call it a flagship? When you plug in a device, the screen first detects and displays your cable's specs, followed by the real-time charging wattage. If you hook up a PD 3.1 140 watt device, it proudly lights up with a 140 watt max fast charging logo, which is just incredibly satisfying to see. A quick press of the side button wakes up the screen and lets you seamlessly toggle through different pages. Aside from the main screen, you can check the power distribution across the ports, real-time temperature, current charging mode, and Bluetooth status. Everything you need to know is right there at a glance. Can you believe chargers get OTA updates now? Connecting via Bluetooth is a breeze. Just turn on your phone's Bluetooth, open the Anker app, hit Add Device, select the 160 watt Prime charger, and boom, you're connected. You might get a firmware update prompt right after pairing, and I highly recommend taking a few minutes to do it so you can get all the latest features. Inside the app, you get way more detailed real-time data than what's on the charger screen. Precise wattage, voltage, and current for each individual port. The port control feature is super geeky in the best way possible. You can set a countdown timer to turn off a specific port, completely cut the power to a port with one tap, or swap between different charging modes. Tap the settings icon in the top right and it opens up a whole new world. You can adjust screen brightness, screen timeout, screen rotation, and device language. It even has charging device recognition and lets you set custom screensavers. But the most hardcore feature? It actually lets you enable or disable specific charging protocols. For tech nerds like us, this is an absolute godsend. Of course, all the fancy bells and whistles don't mean a thing if it doesn't charge well. When using a single port, all 3 ports on the Anker Prime charger 160 watts are practically identical. They all support PD 3.1 at 140 watts, packing 5 fixed voltage tiers, 3 PPS tiers, and a 15 to 28 volt 140 watt AVS tier. It also eats up common protocols like SCP, FCP, AFC, QC, UFCS, and even the old Apple 2.4a standard. It literally handles everything you throw at it. For our compatibility tests, we brought in 3 Android phones that support PPS fast charging. At low battery levels, they hit peak charging speeds of 81 watts, 70 watts, and 62 watts respectively, which is a stellar performance. If you're using an iPhone, a high-power power bank, or a laptop, its standard PD protocols have you more than covered. We pushed it to the limit with a high-capacity power bank, and the PD 3.1 charging speed skyrocketed to around 132 watts. Juicing up your power-hungry devices is an absolute breeze for this thing. Multi-port charging is where this brick truly shines. Under the default AI 2.0 mode, it acts like a smart power manager, dynamically adjusting the output. Plugging in two high-power power banks, it automatically split the juice to an 80 watt plus 80 watt configuration, pulling a total of about 157 watts in reality. With all three ports occupied, it distributed the power at 35 watts, 90 watts, and 35 watts, totaling around 152 watts. If you have specific needs, you can hop into the app and switch to C1 priority mode. This changes the power split to 100 watts plus 60 watts, or 100 watts, 30 watts, and 30 watts. Alternatively, you can swap to dual laptop mode, which prioritizes 70 watts plus 70 watts to the C1 and C2 ports, leaving 20 watts for the C3 port, making sure your primary work machines never die on you. The best part? If none of those work for you, you can jump straight into the custom mode in the app and set the exact wattage for all three ports yourself, like a 65 watt, 65 watt, 30 watt split. Even better, this custom profile gets saved directly to the charger's onboard memory, so if you unplug it and plug it back in somewhere else, it still remembers your settings. Alright, time for the hardcore tech specs that we geeks love. Testing it on a typical 220 volt 50 Hz grid, we measured the Anker Prime charger 160 watts conversion efficiency from 15 watts all the way up to 140 watts. It scored anywhere from 86.23% to 94.86%. The high power performance is particularly impressive. At a 140 watt full load, the efficiency is pushing 95%. That means less wasted electricity and a lot less heat generation. Ripple control is also top tier. Across a full sweep from 15 watts to 140 watts, the average ripple peaked at only about 32 millivolts. The current delivery across all voltage tiers is exceptionally clean and stable, which is fantastic for the long-term health of your device's battery. With a footprint this small and power output this huge, does it turn into a hot potato? In a room at about 77 degrees Fahrenheit running on 220 volts 50 Hz, we put it through a stress test using a constant current load. We let it run at a maxed out 140 watts for a full hour. Using a thermal imaging camera, the highest surface temperature on the charger was about 143.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and inside the ports, it hit about 179 degrees. Thanks to its ultra-high conversion efficiency and stellar internal design, it actually handles heat surprisingly well for its size. It is more than capable of sustaining a full load output for long periods without thermal throttling. Alright, let's wrap this up. Whether we're talking about industrial design, power density, or raw, hardcore performance, I'm easily giving the Anker Prime charger 160 watts a solid 9 out of 10. It absolutely earns its spot in the top tier of current PD 3.1 GAN chargers. As a 160 watt 3-port charger, it is incredibly portable. Plus, the integration between the smart display and the app gives it way more functionality and customizability than most display chargers on the market. Yes, the price tag is on the higher side, but considering the build quality and the user experience, it is 100% worth the investment. If you have any questions about the Anker Prime charger 160 watts, drop them in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support is what keeps me making these videos. I'll see you guys in the next tech review. Peace.